Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Fatimatu Zahra. So in this video, I would like to talk about the important part in social linguistics, which is code switching. Okay, so in this video, I would like to talk code switching in daily communication. Enjoy the video. In our daily life, especially as students, we often mix language when we speak. For example, we say, aku lagi capek banget today. Nanti kita discuss bareng ya. So, in this phenomenon is very common in bilingual or multilingual societies like in Indonesia. So, in this video, I will explain what code switching is, the type of code switching, the reason why people use it, an example of code switching in Indonesia in daily communication. Okay, the first part is definition of code switching. According to social linguistics, code switching is the practice of switching from one language to another within a conversation, a sentence, or even a single interaction. Code switching usually happens when a speaker masters more than one language. It is not a mistake or lack of social language ability, instead it shows linguistic competence. Okay, for example, aku belum submit assignment because I was sick. So in this sentence, the speaker switched from Indonesian to English naturally. So code switching is influenced by social factors such as situation, participants, topic, and social identity. Okay, we move to types of code switching. There are three main types of code switching. The first is intersentential code switching. This type happen between sentence, for example, aku udah selesai presentasi and I feel so relieved now. So the speaker finish one sentence in Indonesia and continue with English. So this sentence is example of intersentential code switching. Okay, the second is intrasentential code switching. This happens within a single sentence. For example, dia lagi prepare untuk final exam. So this type require high language ability because both language are used in one sentences. Okay, the third is text switching. This type uses short expression or text from another language. For example, it's okay kan? You know lah. So this sentence is example of text switching. Okay, the next is reason people use code switching. People use code switching for several reasons. The first, to express identity. Using English can show that someone is educated, modern, and part of a certain group. The second reason is to fill lexical groups. Sometimes a word is easier to say in another language. For example, aku lagi insecure. So this sentence is example of the reason to fill lexical gaps. The third is to emphasize meaning. Switching language can make the message stronger. And the last reason to for habit and environment. In campus life, English terms are commonly used in academic discussion. Okay, the next is code switching and social factors. Code switching is strongly influenced by social factors. One important factor is the participation involved in the conversation. People may use more English when talking to friends, but use Indonesian when speaking to older people or authority figures. So the setting also matters, such as formal or informal situation. In addition, the topic of conversation can trigger language switching, especially when discussing academic or professional subject. So lastly, the relationship between speakers affect how freely they switch language. Okay, the next part is formal versus informal code switching. Code switching can occur in both formal and informal situations, but the way it is used can be different. In formal settings, such as presentation or classrooms, speakers tend to switch language carefully and for specific purposes, like explaining academic terms. In informal situations, like code switching happens more freely and naturally, especially among friends. This difference shows that how language choice is shaped by context. Okay, the next is code switching as identity marker. Code switching can function as a marker of identity. For young people, especially students, using English mixed with Indonesian can represent modernity and global awareness. In academic setting, code switching may signal membership in educated of maybe in professional group. So through language choice, speakers express who they are and where they belong socially. Okay, so this is positive and negative view of code switching. Some people view code switching positively because it shows language flexibility and communicative competence. However, others may see it negatively and consider it as a lack of language purity or proficiency. From a sociolinguistic perspective, code switching is not a weakness but a normal and meaningful language practice shaped by social factors. Okay, the next is code switching in classroom interaction. In classroom interaction, code switching is often used by both teacher and student. For example, teacher may switch from English to Indonesian to clarify difficult concept or ensure student understanding the material. And the student also switch language when asking question or responding to explanation from teacher. So this practice helps reduce misunderstanding and create a more comfortable learning environment. Therefore, code switching can function as a pedagogical tool in education. Okay, the next is code switching and power relation. Language choice is closely related to power relation when speaking to someone with higher authority, such as lecturers or supervisor maybe, so speakers tend to use more formal language and reduce casual code switching. However, when power distance is low, such as among peers, code switching occurs more freely. So this shows that code switching is not random, but influenced by social uh, hierarchy and respect. Okay, the next part is code switching versus language inferences. Code switching is different from language inference. Code switching is a conscious and intentional choice made by bilingual speakers. In contrast, language inference happens when elements of one language unintentionally affect another language due to limited proficiency. So understanding this difference is important so that code switching is not misunderstood as a language problem. The next is advantage of code switching. Code switching offers several advantages. It allows speakers to communicate more effectively, especially when certain ideas are easier to express in another language, and then it also helps convey emotion and emphasize more clearly. Additionally, code switching strengthens to social bond because it creates a sense of shared identity among speakers who understand both language. Okay, we move to code switching in globalization era. In the era of globalization, code switching has become more common due to increased exposure to global language, especially in English. Media, technology, and also education can contribute to this phenomenon. As a result, language continuously change and adapt. Okay, for example, Code switching reflects how language evolves in response to global interaction. Okay, so there is challenges and criticism of code switching. Despite its benefits, code switching can also create challenges. Some listeners may not understand both language, leading to miscommunication. In addition, some people criticize that code switching because they believe it threatens language purity. However, sociolinguistics view these critiques as social attitude rather than linguistic facts. Okay. The next is code switching in Indonesian context. In Indonesia, code switching often happens in campus conversation, social media, classroom, and also in daily casual talks. Okay, I will give example more. For example, tugas ini deadline-nya kapan ya? Besok jam 11 p.m. So this sentence shows that English is integrated into Indonesian communication naturally. Okay, the last is conclusion. To conclude, code switching is a normal and important phenomenon in social linguistics. It reflects social identity, language competence, and cultural interaction. So, in a multilingual society like in Indonesia, code switching helps speakers communicate more effectively and comfortably. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helped you understand about code switching better. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.